Good morning, students. Welcome to EVS class. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, more about plants. Students, there is a great importance of plants in our life as we get oxygen to breathe from plants. We get vegetables, fruits, medicines, spices, wood which is used for making furniture. So we get lot of things from plants. That's why we observed World Environment Day, that is on 5th June. So students, we should plant more trees and save them. So in this chapter we learn more about plants. So let's start the chapter. Students, there are different types of plants around us. Some plants are big and some are small. You must have noticed this thing, right? So let's learn the types of plants. So there are 5 types of plants. These are herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, creepers. Let's learn them one by one. Students, first we will discuss about trees. Student, trees are big plants with huge wooden stems. Right, as you can see in this picture, there is a mango tree, coconut, pine, peepal, banyan and neem trees. All these are tall, big and strong plants. Right, tall, big and strong plants are called trees. Their stem is they having strong wooden stems. As you can see, this part is called stem. Right, they have strong wooden stems. Right, so trees are big plants with huge wooden stems. The next type of plants are shrubs. A shrub is a small to medium sized woody plant. It means a shrub grows to a size bigger than a herb but smaller than a tree. So their size remains small to medium, and they are woody plants. Woody plants means their stem is woody. They are not thin and green in color as we have seen in the herbs. They are woody plants. Their main stem is woody. Next, it has multiple stems of shorter height. Multiple stems means they have more than one stems and are of shorter height. So here some pictures of shrubs are given here. Shoe flower, rose, bougainvillea. All these are shrubs. Now I will show you these shrubs. Students, now I am going to show you some shrubs. As shrubs have wooden stems. So this is a rose plant. You can see rose leaves. So rose plant have wooden stem. So this is a shrub. Next, I am going to show you a hibiscus plant. This is also called a shoe flower. Right, so this is also a shrub. As you can see, it has wooden stem. Right, they are medium sized plants, right, and having wooden stem. So these are shrubs. Students, this is a bougainvillea plant. As you can see, this plant also have wooden stem. So this is also a shrub. So bougainvillea, rose plant and hibiscus, all these are shrubs. They have wooden stem and they are shorter in length. Right, so these are examples of shrubs. Students, the next type of plants are herbs. Herbs are small plants with weak stems. These plants are small in size and they have weak stems. Their stems are not strong or wooden as we have seen in the trees. Their stems are weak. They are mostly green in color. So herbs are small plants with weak stems. So some examples are given along with the pictures. As you can see, there is mint, coriander, tulsi, basil. All these are herbs. Herbs are very useful for us as they are used to prepare medicines. So now I will show you some herbs in real. This is a tulsi plant. It is also a herb. You can see it has soft and green stems. Right, so this is a herb. This is a mint plant. This is also a herb. Herbs having weak stems, as you can see. These having weak stems. Next is spinach. This is also a herb. Their stems are weak. as you can see, right? These stems are not strong as we have seen in the shrubs. You can see shrubs have strong stems, right? So herbs have weak stems. I'm going to show you one more herb, that is coriander. You must have seen this herb in the kitchen. It is used to garnish the food. It adds flavor and aroma to the food, right? So this is also a herb. As you can see, it has weak stems, right? And they are small plants. So herbs are the small plants and having weak stems. So spinach, mint, basil, also called tulsi, and this coriander are herbs. Students, the next type of plants are climbers and creepers. Plants that take support on neighboring structures and climb up are called climbers. So these plants have weak stems and they need support to stand. So as you can see in the picture that they have support is provided to the plants so that these plants can climb or grow upright. So examples are grapevine, pea, money plant. All these are climbers, right? So the next type of plant are creepers. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. So the creepers grow along the ground. They do not grow upright, they spread on the ground. So such plants are called creepers. So examples are pumpkin, watermelon. These are creepers. Muskmelon also a creeper. Now I will show you a climber. Students, this is a money plant. It is an example of climber plants. You can see the stem of these plants are very weak. You can see they cannot stand upright. They need some support to grow upright. So this is the support provided to this plant so that it can grow upright. So money plant is a climber. Students, today we have learnt about 5 types of plants, that are trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. So students, watch this video carefully and try to understand them. Thank you.